Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about our clip-in streaks, and hopefully this video clarifies all the doubts that you had regarding the streaks. So to start off, this is what we mean when we say one streak on the website. So we have a pack of 4 and 6 as well, and if you go in with the 4 or 6, then there is a reduced price on it. Now the way you open these is it's just a tic-tac pin that goes that. It's as simple as that. And when you clip it on, just make sure that you part your hair, open it, push it in, close it, and then make sure you have enough hair to cover up the streak, as long as the clip isn't visible. We make sure that it looks pretty seamless when the hair is covered up as well. So the next thing that you need to know is that colors like these, the ones that are blues or purples, all of these fancy colors do fade with every wash, because ultimately it's real hair and this color that's put on the hair, so it is going to fade over a period of time or when you wash it often. So all the clip-in streaks that we provide are actually natural wavy in texture, and we straighten them out before we send them. So if you have wavy hair and if you do want the wavy look to remain, what you can do is take a spray and just water this, especially since it's a lighter shade like this and it will bleed if you wash it. You just take it, you wet it a bit, and then just crunch it. For the browns, you can probably just wash them, but if you have a funky color like this, then ideally just spray water on it or put some water and then just crunch it and let it air dry. So once it air dries, it will actually be the wavy texture that it naturally is. So how long can you wear these streaks? Well, it'll last you for years as long as you maintain them well, because it is real hair, and in case you do want to recolor them, you can do that as well. So that is an option as well, because it's made from virgin hair. How many streaks you need? So if you just want to cover the front area, you'll need about 2 on each side, and if you want to cover your entire hair, then probably about 8 to 10 should work. Another question that we get asked quite often is, will these streaks fall off? No, they will not, and none of our other clip-in sets actually just fall off. As long as they're gripped in well, they will actually not fall off. So you can dance with them, you can pretty much do anything, and you don't need to worry. When it comes to blending in the streaks, I'll just demonstrate how you do that. So I'm going to take 4 streaks and put them on both the sides. So I just part the hair, clip it on. It doesn't have to be perfect, or there's no particular position that you need to place them. Just make sure that it's visible when you clip them on and the clip is covered. Now, so these streaks have actually been straightened, and my hair is straight, so it's blending in pretty well. So if you straighten your hair and then put these streaks on, they will blend in pretty well. Now, when you curl them, I'll just show you how we curl it so that it looks more natural. So whenever you're curling, you need to make sure that you take a little bit of your hair along with the streak, so that way it'll blend in better once you curl it. So I just went ahead and curled my entire front area. I haven't curled the back yet. But as you can see, it blends in better when you curl it, because you're taking a bit of your hair and mixing it with it as well. So one thing that you need to know when you curl your hair is you always curl away from the face. So you always curl it away, not inwards, not towards your face, because otherwise it'll look weird. So if you have any other questions, do let us know and we'll be happy to answer.